Hey y'all, I wanted to share a dish with y'all, and what we called it was macaroni and tuna. And all you need is macaroni, any kind of box of macaroni. It's better, in my opinion, if you use Velveeta macaroni cheese in the box. And this is just the Dollar General version of, that. You can use the cheaper boxes that you can get for, I think, like, that's got the powder cheese in it, the little cheap boxes, which is what we used when I grew up, because it was a cheap, easy meal, and my mom would feed this to us. And you need cream of mushroom and tuna, and that's all you need. If you want to add other things like peas or onions or whatever, you can add anything you want to this. This is a cheap meal, and you can make it expensive if you want, but this is how we make it. And all you need to do is cook your macaroni like you normally would. You boil your noodles and then you add your cheese. And then once the noodles and the cheese once the noodles are done, and then you add your cheese and make up your macaroni, and then you'll add your tuna and your cream of mushroom, and it's done. I will be right back. I'm going to boil my noodles, and I'll show you how it looks in the end. Okay. I've got my macaroni done. Now I added in my tuna and my cream of mushroom. And you can use the tuna with the oil or with the water. And this time, I usually use whatever I have in the cabinet. Like I said, this was a cheap, easy meal. Some people call it, I guess, like a casserole, but we don't put it in the oven. We just basically boil the noodles and of the macaroni, and prepare it like a macaroni, and then just add the tuna and the cream of mushroom to it. You can get all fancy with it and make homemade macaroni and add all your other ingredients, and then it'll get expensive. But to keep it cheap, we usually just do the macaroni, tuna, and cream of mushroom. And also, you can add garlic powder to it, or garlic salt. Some people add hot sauce to it. You can put salt and pepper, just whatever seasoning you want. And I usually will put in black pepper and a little bit of garlic in mine. I don't put it in when I cook, when I prepare it. I let everybody else that's eating it, put whatever flavoring and, seasoning and stuff that they want in it. I let them do that. So I will be right back. I'm going to mix all this up and put it in a bowl, and I'll show you what it looks like. Alright, I've got it all mixed up, and I've already put some in a bowl because this is what I'm going to have for lunch. You can see the mushrooms in there. Let's give it a try, and comment and let me know if you try it, and let me know what you think about it. Y'all have a good day. Give me a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll talk to y'all later. Bye, y'all.